Hey, you've planned your video out, you've planned your PowerPoint, you've recorded it, you've saved it, now it's time to share it. How do we do that? Well, there's a lot of good options, but let's look at two of them. The first is Dropbox.com. If you don't have an account at Dropbox.com, it's free and you get a couple gigabytes of storage space for anything you want. But it has one nice feature, which is a public link. You can get a link for anything in your Dropbox and share it with people. If you're instructing students, you can share a link with your students and they can watch a video. So let's look at that first. I'm going to pull up a folder in my Dropbox called Lessons, and it's blank right now. So I'm going to take my movie and just copy it over to that folder. This little icon here means it's syncing, so it's uploading to the main Dropbox cloud here. And it's done. This one was really fast because the movie was so small, but your upload is going to be a little different depending on your internet connection. This little check mark means you're all set. Now to get the link, all you have to do is right click on it and click on the option that says Share Dropbox Link. Super easy. Now, if you go to a web browser like Firefox here and paste that link, your video shows up. It's going to ask me if I want to sign in. I'm not. I'm just going to play the video. Hi, I'm Simon and I'm going to show you how to make chocolate. So that's a really handy way, a really simple way of sharing your video. Another way, though, is to use YouTube, which I've already kind of got pulled up here. Once you've got a YouTube account created, sign into your account and go to the upload section. It says select files to upload or drag and drop videos. I'm going to drag and drop this video, how to make cookies, onto my YouTube account. And it's going to upload it. Now it's done. And the video is complete. I need to let it finish processing before I can actually share the link, and you're going to see a little bar here going across the screen. This is actually pretty quick. It used to be much slower, but thankfully YouTube's pretty fast at it now. And in just a matter of minutes, depending on how long your video is, your video will be ready for you to share with your students or anyone else. There is one trick, though, that involves who can see your video. And it's important to know that you have your settings on your video properly set up so that only the people you want to can share it. I'm not going to watch my video. I'm going to click on this, return to editing. There's a couple different options you can have: unlisted, public, and private. The one that I recommend is unlisted, especially if it's going to be educational content. That means only people with the link can see the video. You can set it to public, but then it's going to show up in search results and it might get out there and you might have people watching your videos that you don't want them watching it. But if you have content that you want to make public, that's just fine. Otherwise, you can click this private option, and that's really restrictive because only people that you specifically designate can watch the video. If you're doing videos for a class and you set to private, then you need to email everyone in your class individually and allow them permission to watch the video. It's kind of a big hassle. Unlisted, it really is a good option. And that's about it. You can do other things like add a description and change the title, but it doesn't really matter a whole lot. I'm going to save the changes and click on this to watch my video. Hi, I'm Simon and I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookies. That's all there is to it. I hope you've enjoyed this little lesson on how to create, upload, and share videos, and hopefully it's something that you'll try. Even though it might seem like there's a lot of little steps involved, you do it once or twice and it kind of becomes second nature. I should also note that in this video we showed how to do a PowerPoint lesson. You can do this if you just want to record yourself on video for maybe an update or a quick announcement to your class or to anyone in the world that you want to. You just don't have to go through the PowerPoint section of this. You can use Camtasia and just record yourself using the camera, or open QuickTime and choose New Movie Recording. You don't always have to do this with a PowerPoint lesson. So that's it. Enjoy and good luck.